Hey folks, are you looking how to upgrade your home light, maybe in your home office or home studio? Check this out. I just installed on my ceiling, right, this Govee Smart Ceiling Light. And what is good about this? First of all, I have a lot of Govee lights already in my house, so I can control all of them from one place, from one phone. It's a smart light, right? It works with Google Home, it works with Alexa, and it works with Matter, which means you can connect this light to any smart network what you have at your home. What you will have inside the box? You will have a lamp itself, you will have all user manuals, everything what you need to successfully install this light. You have all screws and other stuff, and let me show you how quickly you can do it by yourself. So I just replaced my old light, which is, first of all, not super bright, and second, it's flickering. I don't know why. So that's why I decided to install this Govee Smart Ceiling Light to be able to, manage all devices in one place. Okay guys, this is my studio and this is a light you can see on top, right? It's small on this camera, but it's the same size as it was my default lamp. Now I have my iPhone, right, application, and I'm gonna to show you how to control the stuff from it. First of all, I can obviously switch it off and I can switch it on, right? I can increase the brightness of selected color. In this case, it's a red one. But for example, I want just illumination for work. And this is how it works for work. Reading, relax, and night light. Or I can use any theme, right? For example, rainbow. But guys, the main point is that now I can manage all these lights in a group. For example, I have my studio and I have my devices. So you see, I can add this new square ceiling into my group of devices, and now I can turn off all of them, or I can turn all of them, and I can apply a theme to all of them at once, which is super convenient. So guys, if you're looking for a really smart light, really easy to install and easy to use and pretty brightful, and you can add this device into your Apple Home via Matter service, definitely check this out.